Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS height, width and the max width tutorial. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS height and width settings. The CSS height and the CSS width properties are used to set the height and the width of an element. The height property and the width property do not include padding, borders, or margins. Once again, the height and width properties do not include padding property, borders property, or margins properties. It sets the height or width of the area inside the padding, inside the border, and inside the margin of the element. Once again, the height and width property, when you specify height or width property, this specifies, it sets the areas, this specifies the areas inside the padding, inside the border, inside the margin of the element. That is, when you are trying to use the height or the width property, definitely you are trying to control something inside the padding, border, and the margin of the element. So definitely this is just working on its own. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be exploring this in this deep details. I don't want this tutorial to get too longer. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace.